Chapter 8, Declaration and Payment of Dividend. Section 123, Declaration of Dividend. Section 124, Unpaid Dividend Account. Section 125, Investor Education and Protection Fund. Section 126, Right to Dividend, Rights Shares and Bonus Shares to be held in abeyance pending registration of transfer of shares. Section 127, Punishment for failure to distribute dividends. Chapter 9, Accounts of Companies. Section 128, Books of Account etc. to be kept by company. Section 129, Financial Statement. Section 130, Reopening of accounts on courts or tribunals order. Section 131, Voluntary revision of financial statements or board's report. Section 132, Constitution of National Financial Reporting Authority. Section 133, Central Government to prescribe accounting standards. Section 134, Financial Statement Board's Report etc. Section 135, Corporate Social Responsibility. Section 136, Right of member to copies of audited financial statement. Section 137, Copy of financial statement to be filed with registrar. Section 138, Internal audit. Chapter 9, Audit and Auditors. Section 139, Appointment of Auditors. Section 140, Removal, resignation of auditor and giving of special notice. Section 141, Eligibility, qualifications and disqualifications of auditor. Section 142, Remuneration of auditors. Section 143, Powers and duties of auditors and auditing standards. Section 144, Auditor not to render certain services. Section 145, Auditor to sign audit reports etc. Section 146, Auditors to attend general meeting. Section 147, Punishment for contravention. Section 148, Central Government to specify audit of items of cost in respect of certain companies. Chapter 11, Appointment and qualification of directors. Section 149, Company to have board of directors. Section 150, Manner of selection of independent directors and maintenance of data bank of independent directors. Section 151, Appointment of director elected by small shareholders. Section 152, Appointment of directors. Section 153, Application for allotment of director identification number. Section 154, Allotment of director identification number. Section 155, Prohibition to obtain more than one director identification number. Section 156, Director to intimate director identification number. Section 157, the company to inform director identification number to registrar. Section 158, Obligation to indicate director identification number. Section 159, Punishment for contravention. Section 160, Right of person other than retiring director to stand for directorship. Section 161, Appointment of additional director, alternate director and nominee director. Section 162, Appointment of director to be voted individually. Section 163, Option to adopt principle of proportional representation for appointment of directors. Section 164, Disqualifications for appointment of director. Section 165, Number of directorships. Section 166, Duties of directors. Section 167, Vacation of office of director. Section 168, Resignation of director. Section 169, Removal of director. Section 170, Register of directors and key managerial personnel and their shareholding. Section 171, Members' right to inspect. Section 172, Punishment. Chapter 12, Meeting of Board and its powers. Section 173, meetings of board. Section 174, quorum for meetings of board. Section 175, passing of resolution by circulation. Section 176, defects in appointment of directors not to invalidate actions taken. Section 177, audit committee. Section 178, nomination and remuneration committee and stakeholders relationship committee. Section 179, powers of board. Section 180, restrictions on power of board. Section 181, company to contribute to bona fide and charitable funds, etc. Section 182, prohibitions and restrictions regarding political contributions. Section 183, power of a board and other persons to make contributions to National Defence Fund, etc. Section 184, disclosure of interest by director. Section 185, loan to directors, etc. Section 186, loan and investment by company. Section 187, investments of company to be held in its own name. Section 188, related party transactions. Section 189, register of contracts or arrangements in which directors are interested. Section 190, contract of employment with managing or whole-time directors. Section 191, payment to director for loss of office, etc. in connection with transfer of undertaking, property or shares. Section 192, restriction on non-cash transaction involving directors. Section 193, contract by one person company. Section 194, prohibition on forward dealings in securities of a company by director or key managerial personnel. Section 195, prohibition on insider trading of securities.